Hello everyone, I am Bhumika Sharma, the Marketing Manager of North India of Eton College. Today I'm hosting this Facebook Live session webinar on behalf of BG Immigration to guide all the students, those who are interested to go to Canada and study in British Columbia, Vancouver, about Eton College and the programs that we offer at Eton College, our upcoming intakes and a lot more options. So I would like to request everybody to stay tuned in this session to find out more about Eton College and the programs that we offer, our admission requirements, our fee structure, the facilities that we provide, and much more. So starting off, the Eton College was established in 2003 and it is a 16-year-old institution today. If I talk about the location of the campus, so our campus is located in Vancouver downtown, which is one of the very hotspot locations in Vancouver, British Columbia. Our campus is only 16 kilometers away from the International Airport of Vancouver. So yes, and there are about 97 plus hotels, restaurants and cafeterias around the campus. So we are located at a very good location in Vancouver downtown. एंड हमारा कैंपस सिर्फ और सिर्फ 16 किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है हमारे इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट ऑफ वैंकूवर से. एंड देर आर अबाउट हंड्रेड्स ऑफ होटल्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड कैफेटेरियाज अराउंड द कैंपस, सो दैट जब हम पार्ट टाइम जॉब की बात करते हैं द स्टूडेंट्स विल नॉट बी फेसिंग एनी इश्यूज और डिफिकल्टीज इन फाइंडिंग द जॉब्स, in finding all the part-time jobs meanwhile when they're studying at Eton College. So moving on, I'd like to talk about the temperature ranges जो वैंकूवर में होते हैं. So आप सभी को मैं बता दूं कि वैंकूवर is quite warmer as compared to the other regions of Canada, and हमारा जो temperature range रहता है during summers, that is from 25 to 27 degree centigrade in the extreme summers. And अगर मैं winter temperature range की बात करूं तो it ranges from 2 to -5 degree centigrade during winters. So which is quite warmer as compared to the other regions of Canada. Now Vancouver has been ranked as the world's most livable cities in terms of the food quality, the air quality, as well as the water quality. So you can check Wikipedia for all of these information as well. Now I'd like to talk about the accreditations of Eton College. So Eton College has been ranked by EQA, that is Education Quality Assurance. So EQA is a designation given to all the public and private institution which meets the quality standards which have been set by the province of British Columbia. So yes, हमारे Eton College को EQA designation मिला है. We have been ranked by EQA. Secondly, we fall under the category 1 by British Columbia Ministry in terms of the support that we provide to the students and in terms of the quality of education that we provide to the students. Eton College is also a DLI approved institution and आप हमारा DLI number check कर सकते हैं on canada.cic.bc website पर. So yes, we are a DLI approved institution and we do have our DLI number available on the canada.cic website. Now moving on, I'd like to talk about the programs that we offer at Eton College. तो हम किस तरीके के programs Eton College में offer करते हैं. So basically we offer UG diploma programs at Eton College, upon the successful completion of which we will be transferring the students to one of our partner institutions. Now Eton College has got articulations from the following colleges and institutions. Capilano University being the number 1. Then we have Vancouver Community College as well as Royal Roads University. So these are our partner institutions from which we have received the articulation. And we provide in Canada transfer to these partner institution to the students upon the successful completion of the diploma with Eton College. So now I'd like to talk about our programs in detail. So we have Business Administration Majors in Hospitality Management program as well as Business Administration Majors in Travel and Tourism Management program. Now for both of these programs, the student will be studying at Eton College for 2 years and then he will be getting a transfer to one of our partner institution for another 2 years again. And now moving on to the further programs that we have at Eton College. So we have diploma programs and it's called Diploma in Hospitality and Tourism Management as well as Travel and Tourism and Flight Attendant Preparation programs. So we also offer flight attendant preparation programs at Eton College. और जिन भी students को flight attendant preparation related programs करने हैं, they're more than welcome at Eton College. We also have an aircraft simulator installed in the campus itself. You can also check for the pictures of the infrastructure and everything on our official website of Eton College as well as on our YouTube channel of Eton College. So yes, these are the two diploma programs जिनके लिए students Eton College में पढ़ेंगे for 1 year, and then they will be getting a transfer to one of our partner institution for another year. Now, the next category of program that we have is Hospitality and Tourism Management Canadian Experience Co-op program. So this particular program is a co-op program, and इस particular co-op program में the students will be studying in the classroom and they will be having a classroom session for first and third semester, and for the second and fourth semester the student will be getting work, and on the basis of that particular work they will be getting on paper work experience from Canada. So yes, in this particular program, which is for 2 years, the student will be getting on paper work experience for 1 complete year, which will definitely help them to land better jobs and which will definitely help to boost their career further after the completion of their studies. So yes, these are the programs that we offer at Eton College. Now moving on to our admission requirements. So हम Eton College में IELTS, PT, TOEFL तीनों ही scores accept करते हैं. When we talk about the English Proficiency Examinations course, we accept IELTS, PT and TOEFL, all the 3. And अगर मैं current situation की बात करूँ, when we are facing this COVID-19 pandemic situation, then yes, we do accept Duolingo test scores to give the offer letters to the students, those who will be meeting our admission requirements. And at the moment we are releasing online offer letters for all the interested students for our upcoming intakes, which is June and September intake. So yes, now to talk about the exact scores that we will be needing for the students to be eligible for our admission requirements. अगर मैं IELTS की बात करूँ तो yes, we require a student to have 6 overall, not less than 5.5 points in any of the modules in IELTS. For PTE, a student should have 54 overall, not less than 48 in any of the modules. और हम लोग TOEFL भी accept करते हैं जिसका score requirement है 67 points overall. So these are the score requirements in terms of IELTS, PT and TOEFL for Eton College. Now talking about the academic requirements. So a student who has passed grade 12 should have 55% overall, not less than 45 marks in any of the subjects. So this is the academic score requirement, and we do accept diploma. So अगर किसी student ने grade 12 नहीं किया है and grade 10 के बाद directly diploma pursue किया है, then we do accept those students. The diploma should be of at least 2 years or 3 years. We do not accept diploma for 1 year, and the score requirements still remains the same, which is 55% overall, not less than 45 in any of the subjects. So these are our score requirements when we're talking about the academic scores. Now moving on to the fee structure. So yes, we have $100 Canadian as our application fee at Eton College, and our annual tuition fee ranges from $13,200 to $13,800 Canadian, which is quite affordable. So this is our fee structure at Eton College, and we do offer the gaps. So we accept gap up to 4 years only, and we do accept students from open boards as well as distant learning. So yes, this is the admission requirements for Eton College. Now moving on, I'd like to discuss a few points where I'll be talking why should a student choose Eton College as his institution for studying abroad. So at Eton College we focus on the applied learning. So जितने भी हमारे programs हैं, सारे programs are internship based programs. So we offer practicum based programs at Eton College, where we offer 300 to 150 hours of practicum associated with every program. Now it depends upon program to program that how many hours of practicum a student will be getting accordingly to his program. Now we also focus on the student's professional as well as his overall development and growth at Eton College. We have a small classroom size at Eton College. We do not accommodate 20 to 30 students. We do not accommodate more than 20 to 30 students in any of our classrooms, because हम लोग student to teacher ratio maintain करना चाहते हैं, and we want कि every student can interact with the teacher and teacher can also pay attention to every student present in the class. So then we also have industry guest speakers coming from the industry for guest lectures at Eton College. We also have career preparation workshops at the campus itself at Eton College. So we just discussed about all the unique points of Eton College and why should a student choose Eton College to study in British Columbia, to study in Canada. So there were a few points which I just discussed, like we have career preparation workshops at the college. We also have industry guest speakers coming for guest lectures at the college. We offer academic transfer options to the students to take a transfer to one of our partner institutions. We not only offer the transfer options within Canada, but we do offer the transfer options globally to many of the international universities, including the universities from USA, from Switzerland, as well as from Australia. So yes, these are a few points why a student should definitely choose to study at Eton College. We have small classroom sizes, not more than 20 to 30 students. We focus on the students' career as well as overall professional development. We also offer all the programs, including the practicum hours, which will definitely help the students when they will be employed at their workplace. They will be getting more seamless industry in whatever jobs they aspire to be in. So yes, these are a few points. Now I'd like to talk about a few of the industry facts and figures based in British Columbia when we're talking about the travel and tourism industry. So according to statistics, in the year 2018, we had over 21 million tourists in British Columbia. Now this is a huge number. 2018 में we had 21 million tourists in British Columbia, which is a huge number, which is almost self-explanatory. Why? I mean, there are a number of job opportunities in this sector, of course. And then there are 300,000 employment opportunities in this tourism sector itself. So according to www.canadianencyclopedia.ca website, the air transportation industry is the largest service industry in the entire Canada. Now, these facts are quite self-explanatory. Why should a student choose to study at Eton College in our hospitality, travel and tourism, and flight attendant preparation programs? Because we not just help the student to learn the theoretical, to grab the theoretical knowledge in the classroom sessions, but all of our programs are accompanied with certain hours of internship, certain hours of practicum, so that students can learn even more and students can get seamless entry in their respective jobs, whichever they wish to go for. So these are the few unique programs that we offer at Q College. Now I would like for all of the students, those who are interested to go to Canada to study in tourism and hospitality program, to kindly visit our Facebook page of Eton College, where you can stay updated by the events that are taking place every now and then at the campus. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel of Eton College, where you can get to see the infrastructure of Eton College, what our classrooms looks like, what are the professors teaching in the classroom, what our professors look like, and the aircraft simulator that we have installed in the campus itself, and a lot many things. And for more information about the programs, you can definitely check our official website of Eton College. And I would like to request all the interested students to please share their documents with BG Immigration. Their team of counselors will definitely get in touch with you and they will guide you in the right way. So yes, their helpline numbers are all available on their Facebook pages. You can simply give them a call, or you can just share your documents with them on their email IDs, and they will be helping you, and they will be making you achieve your dreams, they'll be definitely helping you and achieve your career goals. So I would like to thank BG Immigration team for having me today on their Facebook page to host this webinar session with the audience. I wish that everybody stays safe. I hope everybody is indoors and everybody is staying safe with their family. So yes, please stay safe, stay indoors and take care. Also, there is this Q&A section that I would like to take up before closing this session today. So there is this question that I have received from one of our viewers, is that will the students get PGWP? Okay, so yes, the students will be getting a chance to go for a postgraduate work permit. After studying at Eton College, the students will be getting a transfer to our partner institution, which is Capilano University, Vancouver Community College and Royal Roads University. So after studying from our partner institution, the students will be eligible for postgraduate work permit. To find out more about this postgraduate work permit duration, you can give a call to the team of counselors of BG Immigration. They will guide you in the right way, and they will guide you in a more detailed way. So yeah, I think that is all for today's session. Everybody please stay safe and stay indoors. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.